If you're pursuing a BE in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, EEE, mastering core subjects is crucial for both academic success and future career opportunities. Here's a quick guide to the must-learn core subjects. Learn circuit analysis, Ohm's law, AC-DC circuits, and network theorems. These form the foundation of electrical systems. Study electric and magnetic fields, Maxwell's equations, and wave propagation for communication and power systems. Understand motors, generators, transformers, and their applications in power generation and industrial machinery. Key to power generation, transmission, and distribution, covering load flow, fault analysis, and protection systems. Learn about system stability, feedback loops, PID controllers, and their application in automation and robotics. Focus on rectifiers, inverters, and power conversion devices essential for renewable energy and motor drives. Master digital logic, microcontrollers, and assembly language for embedded systems and modern electronics. Core for signal processing, Fourier/Laplace transforms, and systems analysis in communication and control systems. Understand sensors, transducers, and data acquisition for accurate measurement of electrical quantities. Study the design principles for electrical machines like transformers and motors, crucial for real-world applications. Learn about high-voltage testing, insulation breakdown, and surge protection for safe power system operation. Gain knowledge in solar, wind, and hydropower systems, focusing on sustainable energy solutions. Learn motor control, VFDs, and automation techniques for industries like manufacturing and robotics. Study microcontrollers, sensors, and communication protocols for smart systems in IoT, healthcare, and automation. Apply AI or ML in systems like predictive maintenance, smart grids, and robotics. Learn about protection relays, fault detection, and stability analysis for safe and reliable power systems. Study battery technology, electric motors, and energy management for the rapidly growing EV sector. Understand modulation techniques, signal transmission, and error correction, essential for wireless and IoT systems. Mastering these subjects will provide the foundation for a successful career in electrical and electronics engineering. Whether you're interested in power systems, automation, renewable energy, or cutting-edge technologies like AI and electric vehicles, these core areas will equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge for a wide range of industries. Thank you.